Thank you, Jamie.
Well, let's see if we can.
All right.
We might have room to open.
Look at this. Oh yeah, and the safe. That's cool. But this is fantastic. Look how awesome. Awesome. And a window there and a window on the other side of the TV.
What, isn't it running right?
So here we are. Those are the slides in?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. This is how it is with slides in. This is tons of room. So when we're driving it, this is pretty roomy.
Yeah, look.
Yeah, that slides in. So slides out just makes it huge.
Yeah.
Yeah, Graham's gonna love that. And Charlton eventually will. And there's the frogs. I can't wait to join the frogs. Oh look, and there is a Connex.
Yeah.
Charge. Okay.
Oh, near for the outlet bar.
Cool.
Let's think right back. We're going to open these lights for you.
Okay. Whew. Oh, awesome.
Oh, look.
Oh, wow.
Window in the back.
There's a huge window in the back. Didn't we note? No, I guess we didn't notice that to begin with. But that's awesome. Okay, so that slides out and TV and cool. It's huge. Nice. Storage. Oh wow, that's excellent.